Hey there, Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to send dynamic videos through Gmail in mass. So this is something new that we have because, of course, as you may know, Gmail doesn't have HTML capabilities. So that means you can't send a GIF. You can actually do it manually, but you can't send it in bulk because, of course, you'll have to use an HTML code, something that Gmail does not support. Okay, but we have a new feature here that will allow you to just send out a campaign with a lot of emails there without using any other platform but Sendspark and Gmail. Okay, so the feature is actually here in automatic workflows. So I'll set up a new automation, and also I created a new dynamic campaign, which you can see right here, that is called Gmail Mass Campaign. Okay, so I'll go for continue, set up here a landing page very quickly. And yeah, so I'll leave it right here in this section. So we'll go for the trigger first of all, which is basically Sunspark, and the event is new video generated. So every single time that a new video is generated, of course, something will happen, which we'll be selecting right away, which is basically just sending an email in Gmail. Okay. So dynamic video campaign. So I'll go ahead and select this title, put it here, select it. If you don't see it, just update the list and try again. Okay, and now we'll go to action. We'll look for a Gmail in this case, which is right there. The action is send an email. Yep, I'll select my account, go for continue. Okay, and this is how it's supposed to work. When it comes to the email body, so one of the things that we do here is, of course, convert this information into HTML, and of course, make it available in Gmail, right? So that way you'll be able to use, well, our GIFs here in bulk, okay? So when I click on email body, I can go with something like, hey, and I'll put here first. Oops, first name. Yeah, there we go. Contact first name. Okay. And now, because like I said before, we're converting some text here into HTML format, we'll need to behave as we were, typing in HTML code. So I can't just, hit enter so I can add a line. What I need to do basically is actually use this tag, br. There we go. So we can produce a jump in the line. So whenever someone gets this, they'll actually see it this way. Okay. Or you can, of course, just add one more right here. So I can separate this one more time, another jump in the line. Okay. And I can put here, check this out. Okay. And another way to do it, instead of using BR and BR in both places, I can just simply go and put P. That stands for paragraph. So that way I'll have, a complete space, jumping line here, a complete spaced line here. And here, what I'll do, click one more time and search for, I can just type embed actually. Yep, email embed HTML. Okay, so this is what we want here. So we can embed the GIF for each particular recipient. Email format, I have to select HTML. I don't have the option to select the other one in this case because it won't work. Selecting my account. And here in two, I'll go ahead and put email, contact email. Yep. And subject, this is a test. Okay, so that's all that we need to do here. So I'll click on save, and then I'll start the process. I'll start the automation. So I'll go for check results. Now I can go here to dynamic videos, and remember that this gets triggered whenever we add contacts, whenever we generate videos actually. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm adding 3 of them, which are basically just all of my emails there that I have, secondary emails. Okay, so now we have started the process. These videos are generating, and yep, they're actually going quite fast. But I'll pause this for a moment so this doesn't get extended. Okay, so we're just getting our first results right here. So, yep, I'll just go ahead now and show you this right here. So this means that these videos have been automatically and perfectly sent. So yeah, that's perfect. Let me just pause this for a moment so I can open my email. Okay, and you can see right here that we have this video coming out right perfectly with both spaces as previously mentioned. Okay, so yep, that's absolutely all. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great